Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you dry curry made with spinach, potatoes and gram flour. It's extremely delicious and very healthy. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make Palak Besan dry curry. First, we are going to dry roast the gram flour, and for that I am using about 1/3 cup of gram flour, and in a pan on a medium flame, just keep stirring continuously until it starts to change color. Now it's ready, let's switch off the flame and keep it on the side. In a separate pan, add about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and as they start to crackle, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and some hing. Give this tempering a quick mix. Next, we are going to add some green chilies and garlic pods. So I'm using 2 green chilies and 3 garlic pods, and I have just crushed them, and also some fresh herbs, so garlic leaves about a tablespoon. Give everything a good mix and fry it for half a minute. Next, add a cup of chopped onions and 1 medium potato also chopped into small cubes. Give everything a really good mix. The flame is on the medium. Now we are going to cover and let it cook for 4 to 6 minutes on a medium flame. Open after about 5 minutes, and now we'll start adding the spices. So some turmeric powder about a teaspoon, cumin and coriander powder and some garam masala powder. Salt to taste. Give everything a really good mix. We are not going to add any red chili powder as we had added 2 green chilies earlier. Now add about 400 grams of spinach. Keep stirring on a medium flame, and as you do so, you will notice that the spinach kind of starts to shrink pretty fast. Now add the roasted gram flour. Give it a really good mix. Add additional salt if needed, but earlier I have already added about 2 teaspoons, so I'm not going to add any additional salt. Cover and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Open after 2 minutes and add some fresh coconut. Give it a really good mix. The Palak Besan potatoes dry curry is ready. Enjoy this curry with fulkas, chapatis or paratha. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.